Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Owings, local and long-distance movers near me. If you are planning for a long-distance move, choosing a reliable and cheap moving company is a must to have a stress-free experience. You should choose a company that can provide you with services like packing, loading, transporting, and unpacking your belongings at the scheduled time. And the one thing that you want to ensure is that your movables are completely secured and safe with the moving company you chose. 3. Movers take pride in providing the best moving services in Owings. We can handle your long-distance move with ease. We provide moving services that make sure you have a stress-free experience. Whether a long-distance move to a new state or overseas, start your moving journey with 3 Movers. Hiring a professional moving company for a local move isn't necessary, though you will have plenty of benefits when you ask for help from a moving company. With the help of local movers like 3 Movers, you will save yourself from injuries caused due to heavy lifting. In addition, you will save a lot of time as the most efficient team will be doing the work for you faster than ever. 3 Movers make your local move much more suitable and easier. In addition, we will help you settle into your new home much faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Owings moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form